Yum! With the salad? Wait, that looks so good. Okay guys, that is it for today. You can't even see us.
Show them where we're at.
But we are going home. Bye! Anything you'd like to say?
Stay blessed and stay beautiful.
Oh, okay. So today is Monday and it is spring break. I'm so excited. I got something really huge. Also, I just did my makeup. What do we think? What do we think? Anyways, I got a cat. Hi, Mickey. Look at him. Hi. Oh.
Hey! The camera is so nice. What the heck?
Yes. Oh my gosh.
It's a good day.
Oh my god. Okay, okay. Where is it? Okay. Ooh, guys, look at this. This is bougie as hell.
Ooh, walking down the damn street.
Ooh. What should we get? We're like taste test. yeah, let's do that. It's gonna get us. Oh! Ooh, okay. Oh. No way. Anyways,
Guys, we just did a taste test and it wasn't
recording. Well, but the pastries we got is so good.
vegan chocolate banana bread.
And then lemon pistachio olive oil cake. And then, oh, I got a little chocolate on my finger. But iced vanilla latte. And then an iced matcha. And then the plan after is we're gonna go to Stanford.
Chocolate center.
University.
We're just gonna walk around.
I would have told you not to leave, or not to wander, not to breathe without your oxygen. But what if someone else?
Hey! We're gonna put on a lippy.
Oh my god, this is the new color I got. I got Scotch 30%.
Ooh!
It's so good. Hold on, give me this.
Show the cam, show the cam.
Fui 30. What is this? Fui. What is this called? 3D voluming gloss. Is so mother effing good. Guys, hold on. I need to give me some space.
Yeah.
Guys, it's so good, and I am not a gloss girly because I hate the sticky feeling and I hate things sticking to me. But it's so freaking good. And hold on, let me put it on for you. Ooh! Ooh!
It goes wow!
Guys, do you see the shine?
Do you see the shine?
Do you see the shine? Girl, who wanna give me a kiss?
Whoa.
Looks so good. Camera eats first.
Hey,
Hello.
we got free cookies.
Shout out Gregory from True Food Kitchen. Ooh.
You guys didn't know this, but we're actually on our vegan journey.
Hashtag vegan, hashtag gluten free, hashtag where the fuck my waist at? Okay, let's try the cookie.
Okay. I'm scared.
Is it banana? Does yours taste like banana?
This tastes like that protein chocolate bar that I got at school.
So,
We appreciate you, Gregory. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, what should you do first?
I think I'm gonna do. Did you get 2?
I got 3.
3? Okay, we got this one. We'll do this one because we both got it.
Yes.
But I want Nightlight Star. I really want Reminiscence Star and Melody Star. Okay. Low-key, I'm okay with any of them.
I want Life Bearing Star. Or the Halo Star. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. I looked at the camera.
Is it good, gang? Gang, is it good?
What'd you get?
Oh my god.
Wait.
Loki, I'll trade you.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, that ass?
Yeah.
Did you want this one?
I'm okay with any of them, that's why. Trust me, I will get more too.
Okay. Thank you. What? No way.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Okay. Okay, and then I'll do my figure.
I got this little backpack. Hey gang, let me know what it is.
Was that the one you wanted?
I think this is the secret.
No way.
Guys, this is the first time I've ever gotten a secret in my life, and it's like my favorite color ever. I'll give it.
Oh, you
Bianca chose this one again.
Oh shit, I did.
I think you need to choose every single thing I get.
Open it. What is it? Oh, it is cute. Oh, the way I'm holding it. Oh, it's the star jar. Oh, that is so cute. I love it. Guys, believe in your dreams. Believe in your dreams. Free.
Hey Bianca chose this one too. Let's see if she's 3 for 3.
Okay.
I can feel it.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
It's the one that I wanted. Are you dead ass?
I'm dead ass.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I really wanted this one.
Hey.
3 for 3.
Okay. Oh my god, guys. You have this. That is so cute. I already have one, and it's the brown one. I just want any but the brown one. So let's do this. Okay. Show my bag. Mind you, I picked the one for my mom. It's the same one.
Well, this is for Mickey.
Why is this one following me around? Oh my gosh. Sayonara. Oh.
myself down the drain. You used to live within the clouds.
It's so cold.
How can I stay grounded for more than
Okay, let's go,
5 years? I'm terrified of being outshone, and I want.
No pictures, no pictures, no pictures.
Oh my gosh. We are at Italy. We're gonna eat again. But we're gonna go to the mall and walk around.
Not today. Not today. Not today. I would have told you not to leave or not to wander, not to breathe without your oxygen.
It's just not even working. It's just not even working. This shit not working.
I'm dead.
Okay.
Hey, that's like the restaurant we like always eat at. They have, I don't know. We're in downtown Burlingame and it's so nice. Look at this bike. We're gonna go to Barnes & Noble's. Look how monotone that Barnes & Noble's is. I hope you can see that. World's smallest Jacob. World's smallest temple. Small that. And puppet. What the heck? It's so small.
Pagod yan, tapos magugutom na naman.